Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile or simply want to remove some old reels from your activity, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to delete reels from your activity on Instagram. Whether you're doing a little digital spring cleaning or just want to tidy up your feed, these easy steps will help you take control of your content. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner. Give that a tap to open up more options. Next, scroll down and tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done on the app, making it super easy to find and manage your content. Under Your Activity, look for the section labeled Content You Shared. Here, you'll see an option for Reels. Tap on Reels to view all the reels you've posted from your account. Now, it's time to select the reels you want to delete. Tap on Select in the top right corner and then choose the specific reel or reels you wish to remove from your activity. You can select one or multiple reels at a time, depending on how much you want to clean up. Once you've made your selection, tap on Delete at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to delete these reels. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, your selected reels will be permanently removed from your activity. And that's it. You've successfully deleted reels from your Instagram activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.